Without the use of a calculator, multiply the following numbers. For I, 342 times 132. Take down solution. Question I, 342 times 132. For us to multiply these two numbers without the use of a calculator, first thing we are going to start by arranging the two numbers in such way that the digits with the corresponding place values in the two numbers, they are vertically aligned. We start by writing down the first number, 342. 3 has a place value of hundreds, 4 has a place value of tens, and 2 has a place value of units. The second number, we have 132. 1, which has a place value of hundreds, is placed under 3. The digit 3, which has a place value of tens, is placed under 4. And lastly, the digit 2, which has a place value of units, is placed under 2. We put down the operation sign, which is multiplication. Then we draw a vertical line where we write down the results below. For us to perform this multiplication, in this case, we are going to start from the highest place value in the second number, which is 1. That means we have to perform this multiplication from the left hand side to the right. But in the second question, we are going to perform the multiplication from the right hand side to the left. Starting from the digit 1, it has a place value of hundreds. Since it has a place value of hundreds, we are going to start by fixing 2 zeros under units and tens. Write down 2 zeros. Next, we proceed with the multiplication. We are going to take the digit 1. We multiply all the digits in the number which is above the first number. 1 times 2 gives us 2. We are going to write the result moving to the left hand side. Since it has a higher place value, write down 2 here under hundreds. Next, we take 1 times 4, gives us 4. Write the result under thousands. We move to the next, 1 times 3 gives us 3. We write the result under tens of thousands. We move now to the next digit, which is 3. It has a place value of tens. We are going to start by fixing a 0 under place value of units. 3 times 2 gives us 6. We write down 6. 3 times 4 gives us 12. In this case, what we are going to do is we are going to write down the unit part of the number 12, which is 2. We write down the 2 here under hundreds. Then we carry the 110 to the next higher place value. The next, we take 3 times 3. It gives us 9 plus 1, which we carried, gives us 10. We are going to write down the 0 for 10 under thousands. Then we write down the 1 under tens of thousands. We are done with the digit 3. We move now to the next digit, which is 2. This 2 has a place value of units. We are just going to perform the multiplication without fixing any zeros. 2 times 2 gives us 4. We are going to write down the result under units. Write down the 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8. We write down the 8 under tens. 2 times 3 gives us 6. We write down the 6 under hundreds. Now, for us to get the product of these two numbers, we are simply going to take the sum of these three numbers. we add, we put the addition sign, then we draw the horizontal line, and we are going to write down the results below this horizontal line. We are going to add the digits in each vertical alignment, starting from the right hand side, moving to the left. 0 plus 0 gives 0 plus 4. The result is 4. 0 plus 6 remains 6. 6 plus 8 it gives us 14. We are going to write down 4. Then we carry 1. 2 plus 2 gives us 4, plus 6, 10, plus 1 we carried, it gives us 11. We are going to write down 1, and we carry the 1, 10, the number 11. 4 plus 0 remains 4, plus 1 gives 5, we write down 5. We move to the next. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Therefore, 342 times 132 is simply equal to 45,144. You underline the final answer. We move now to 2i. For 2i, we have 156 times 452. We are going to start by arranging the two numbers. We have 156 times 452. 4, this 4 has a place value of hundreds. We are going to place it under this 1. 5 has a place value of tens. We are going to place it under this 5. The digit 2 has a place value of units. We place it under 6. We put the multiplication sign. Then we draw our horizontal line. In this case, we are going to start performing the multiplication from the right hand side, moving to the left. Starting from the right hand side, the digit 2 in the number 452 has a place value of units. 2 times 6 gives us 12. What we are going to do is we are going to write down the 2 in the number 12, which stands for units. Then for 2 units, then we carry the 110. Next, we take 2 times 5, it gives us 10. 10 plus 1 we carried gives us 11. What we are going to do is we are going to write down 1, the 1 unit in 11, then we carry the 110. 2 times 1 gives us 2, plus the 1 we carried, 3. We move now to the next digit, which is 5. This 5 has a place value of tens. What we are going to do is we are going to fix a 0 under units. 5 times 6 gives us 30. What we are going to do is we are going to write down the 0 in 30, which stands for 0 units. Then we carry the 3 tens. We move to the next. 5 times 5 gives us 25, plus 3 we carried, it gives us 28. What we are going to do is we are going to write down the 8, then we carry 2. We move to the next. 5 times 1 remains 5, plus the 2 we carried gives us 7. We write down the 7 as the next higher place value. We move now to the next digit, which is 4. 4 has a place value of hundreds. What we are going to do is we are going to fix a 0 under the place value of units, and we fix a 0 under the place value of tens. 4 times 6 gives us 24. We are going to write down 4 at the next higher place value. Then we carry the 2. We move to the next. 4 times 5 gives us 20. 20 plus the 2 we carry gives us 22. what we are going to do is we are going to write down 2 for units, then we carry the 2 tens. We move now to the next multiplication. We take 4 times 1, it gives us 4, plus the 2 we carried, it gives us 6. We write down the 6 under the next higher place value. The next thing we have to do is we are going to add the digits in each vertical alignment, starting from the right hand side to the left. We put the addition sign, we draw our horizontal line. We start adding from the right hand side. 2 plus 0 remains 2, plus 0 gives us 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0 remains 1. 3 plus 8 gives us 11. 11 plus 4 gives us 15. We are going to write down 5. We carry 1 to the next addition. 7 plus 2 gives us 9, plus 1 we carry gives us 10. We are going to write down 0. We carry 1 to the next addition. 6 plus the 1 which we carried gives us 7. The sum of these numbers gives us 70,512, which is the product of the two numbers 156 and 452. Underline the answer. Therefore, 156 times 452 is simply equal to 70,512. This is how we multiply two numbers having 3 digits without the use of a calculator. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.